so let's get them started.
Hello.
Pretty cheerful today. Fernanda's always been a polite little bird, so a question to ask you all. Very mumbled. How are you? Let's try that one again. A little better. Still needs some work, but I see some lovely smiles out there. And of course, we did call him Fernando, but he does go by his nickname quite often, Nando. So tell everybody your name. Loves to sing that one out nice and loud. And although his question was polite, our little Eddie here, her question's a little bit nosy. It's usually when she's trying to see if we're busy and wants to play her favorite game. What do you ask us? Oh, that's right. We hear that and we can't resist. Head on over and give Eddie a little. She absolutely loves to be tickled. And just like you and I, when she's tickled, she does laugh every once in a while. It's her chuckling. Now, parrots will pick up on sound effects that they hear often. So Fernando has a few in store. He does hear us drink a nice cold glass of water to stay cool on these hot safari days. Some good chug-lugs. And of course, over the time, he's heard us cough once or twice. I guess he found that interesting. But we've been working on some animal noises, so he can actually make the sound of a pig. Pretty rude with that one, but we're not done yet. This little green bird barks like a dog. Just not a very scary dog. Now, little Eddie's contribution to all these sound effects is in fact just a kiss for all of you. Showing a little bit of her appreciation there. Now, they're obviously talented. They're both also talented musically, love to sing. Now, just because they love it doesn't mean they're very good at it. They do try their best, and little Eddie is about to sing one of her favorite songs for all of you. We're going to warm up her voice first of all. All right, warmed up, and before she gets singing her favorite tune, wondering if it's anybody's birthday today. All the words, none of the rhythm. Not too bad, little Eddie. All right, this. He's not that bad. Let's tune you in. All right, he's all tuned in. Let's see what song he has in store. All right, you guys know that song? Bit of our national anthem, of course. Now, Fernando's favorite song has always been "O Canada," not because we have parrots native to this country, but he hatched here, and very proud of that fact. Let's hear it again. Beautifully done, Fernando. These two have done an